Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the Zim Tech guy. Now the guys from Ugoos in China have sent me another product to review. Now this is the Ugoos AC1. It is a smart clock and we're going to check it out. Simba Tasker. This is a platform that connects Zimbabwean businesses and sellers. You can sign up as a business or as a service seeker. What makes Simba Tasker worthwhile is that every seller and corporate can be rated by customers, ensuring that only the best companies remain on the platform. And for the customer, convenience and peace of mind. You can download Simba Tasker on Android and iOS. There's also a web version as well, link in the description if you want to check it out. So the box is orange, and there's black here, black on the side. Nothing here. On the back you get to see the specs themselves. Open up the box, right, and see what else is in the box. As you can see, there's a user instruction manual, right? And there's also the QR code which we're going to use for the app. Lastly, a cable. Right, this is a USB A to USB C cable. Let me see about the length. Okay. Now the cable, yeah, it's probably like a meter. The cable is like a meter, right? Now this is the AC1. On the front, there's a 4-inch display here. There's a touch here. I'm sure this is for stopping maybe the alarm, right? On the side, there's just the branding. On the back is just this rubber mat, right? Now this side there's a speaker, right? There's a speaker here, and there's a power on button, a mute button, and a 5-volt USB-C charging port. Now the AC1 does not come with an inbuilt battery, so you need to use the USB-C cable to charge it, right? So pretty much that's it. So let's see if we can just turn it on. All right, now let's see if we can power this on. Just need to plug the USB-C cable here. As you can see, there's the Ugoos logo. Okay, now it's requesting higher alarms. Just the alarms just work out. Okay, let's just see if we can click next. Now it wants me to connect to Wi-Fi. Let me just connect to my Wi-Fi just briefly. All right, so it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. All right, device is in the midst of a joyful registration dance. Relax and wait a second. So this is the animation when it's registering. All right, so now at this point I need to scan this QR code, right, to download the app. So let's see if we can do that. All right, so let me I've got the phone, so let me open the camera app and see if I can scan the QR code. Okay, there it is. It's taking me to this website here, so I can actually download the app on the Play Store. This is what I want to do. Let me just click on that. All right, so that link seems not to be working, but let me try this one. Okay, let me download. All right, so this is the app that you get, right, when you want to register the device. So let me click on register. It needs my email and a verifying code. So let me just do that and get back to you. All right, so I managed to log on to the app, right? And this is what you get. It says add device. So let me just click on add device. Click on that. And I need to scan the QR code again, right? See? And it's saying alarm name. Let me just click save, right? Right, so it's loading, as you can see. Whilst it's loading, it's telling me welcome. So it's telling me maybe the first steps that I need to start using this app. Right, now on this side is this is volume, right? leads me to this home screen. This is, I'm sure, volume, and this side is brightness. So when you click on the left side and you swipe up or down, you'll be increasing like the brightness of the display, and this side, this is the volume. Right, so this is what we have. All right, so this is the Ugoos AC1, right? So this is a smart clock. Now, growing up, you know the type of clocks that we're used to, right? And pretty sure they were not smart for the most part, but this one comes with a 4-inch display on the front, right? And it's white all around. I'm sure here, maybe when you touch it, this is where you stop the alarm. On the back is the 3-watt speaker, right? And there's actually a mute button here. So it has a few features. You just scroll through the menu, you are able to set your alarms here. Just go back, and you're also able to have this sleep music. So this is a sort of product that will be next to your bed that will help you sleep, so you can play some music. For example, this is white noise, right? Let's just play. There's also sleep music, you know, some soothing music if you want to sleep. Let's see what else is here. Okay, let me just stop this music. So focus time, 25, 45, 60 minutes, maybe when you want to focus and you don't want to be disturbed by this alarm, which means that maybe you might use it in an office. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out in the full review because this is a new product. Now, if you swipe here, I'm sure this is where you turn it off, right? There's also an image gallery here, but you can use your app to push pictures here. So ideally, maybe you can have family photos on the side of your bed, right? Maybe to just help you relax and stuff, which is a nice touch. Now, I don't know much about this product, but I'll be playing around with it, and pretty soon I'll be coming out with a full review of the Ugoos AC1. Now, one thing that I've just noted, the speaker, it's a 3-watt speaker. It's not very loud, but I think it's decent for the bedroom, particularly if you just want the white noise aspect, right? If you just want some soothing music to help you sleep, the power button here. But yeah, now one thing to note about this, and it does not come with a battery inside, which means it has to stay plugged in. Now, I'm not sure if that's a plus or a minus for you, but that's something to look out for. So yeah, if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. I'll be coming through with the full review pretty soon, so make sure that you subscribe for that. I'll see you in the next video.